Today we are going to take a look Nelko portable label maker. So this is very compact, very small plastic, and it's an inkless printing, portable, and creativity. It looked interesting, and then it's small. It may not be used for big items, but at least to identify small items, definitely we can use it. And lithium battery is there, and for wireless mobile devices, and there's a smart application to be installed to print out. Looks like this is the back side of the box. Let's try to open it. So probably this way. We have a USB-C to USB-A cable. Wow, it's kind of white color in a plastic bag. Let's open that. Wow, it looks nice. Although it's plastic, but actually it feels like a toy. Right? So I think this is here. Can charge, and here is some button, and here's one button, and it's a wrapper. I'll take it out, but for now I'm just going to leave it just for the unboxing, and later another video or the extension of this video we'll connect it and print it and see how it works. What else we have? So we have in the box, we have a user manual, maybe another card with the instructions to install the app. Right? Looks interesting. Let's explore this.